Welcome to Local Promotion. Pega GenAI represents the confluence of advanced AI capabilities and Pega Systems software aimed at revolutionizing productivity and creativity throughout the customer journey. The content covers an introduction to Pega GenAI, its applications, and its significant impact on customer experience, providing a comprehensive understanding for the audience. Pega GenAI introduces transformative AI integration within Pega systems, setting the stage for enhanced productivity and innovation in customer engagement processes. Pega GenAI integrates advanced AI with Pega systems, enhancing productivity and creativity by automating and optimizing customer engagement and operational processes. Key components like machine learning models, NLP, and predictive analytics enable Pega GenAI to deliver real-time personalized actions and intelligent interactions for customers. Pega GenAI enhances productivity, decision-making, and creativity by automating tasks, optimizing resource allocation, and generating innovative insights for customer experiences and marketing strategies. Pega GenAI ensures ethical AI deployment by emphasizing transparency, accountability, ethical data use, and promoting human-AI collaboration for empathetic customer interactions. Pega GenAI's applications span personalized customer engagement, operational efficiency, cognitive marketing, and adaptive customer service, showcasing its versatility and impact. Dynamic segmentation, real-time offer optimization, and contextual recommendations enable Pega GenAI to tailor customer engagements based on behavior, preferences, and interactions. Pega GenAI automates processes, predicts service issues, and optimizes case management, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and resource utilization. Pega GenAI conducts behavioral analysis, optimizes campaigns, and predicts sales pipeline dynamics, driving targeted marketing and effective sales conversions. Intelligent customer routing, sentiment analysis, and enhanced self-service capabilities ensure Pega GenAI delivers adaptive, empathetic, and efficient customer service experiences. Pega GenAI enhances customer satisfaction through tailored experiences, contextual interactions, and continuous feedback utilization, fostering long-term customer relationships. Pega GenAI supports agile decision-making, scalability, and continuous improvement, enabling organizations to adapt to dynamic customer demands and market trends. Interactive simulations, case studies, and discussions on ethical considerations help students grasp Pega GenAI's impact on customer experience and business operations. Highlighting AI's growing relevance in customer experience management inspires students to explore careers in AI-driven innovation and customer-centric technologies. Emphasizing AI, data analytics, and customer-centric skills guides students in their career development, preparing them for future industry challenges. Encouraging ethical leadership and responsible AI innovation fosters a sense of social responsibility and ethical decision-making among future professionals.